Good Friday, everyone. You've made it to the end of the week, and I hope you've had a wonderful week and that you're ready for a good weekend ahead. This map that you see here shows radar estimated precipitation from Thursday. So if you look closely, you can see Cumberland County down there, pretty much in the middle of the map there. And you see that the southeast portion of Cumberland County got a few showers yesterday down around Ozone and whatnot. But then the northwest end of Cumberland County, up in my neck of the woods, we got like 3/10 to a half inch of rain. So depending on where you live, I know it's still hit and miss, but we had some pretty heavy showers across northwestern Cumberland County, and then you go folks in Fentress County and Pickett County, and even over toward the Kentucky border near Scott County. Had some heavier rainfall in places, scattered showers and thunderstorms, right? The better coverage was up in Kentucky, where they had some issues with some flash flooding. So as Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union's weather headline shows us, those tropical downpours continue, scattered about. Not everybody gets them, but when you do, man, they really pour down. Monitoring that flash flood risk today now through Monday. I had thought that might come to an end on Sunday. It looks like it's going to hang around with us till Monday, thanks to tropical moisture coming up from the Gulf. And we're still monitoring the potential for a dangerous heat wave developing the middle to end of next week. USA mortgage level of concern, same as it's been the last several days. Level 1. It's not a meteorologist mark weather alert day, but we are on the lookout for an isolated severe storm with gusty winds being the main threat. But I tell you what, a flash flood risk cannot be ignored. These tropical downpours can put down a lot of rain in a short period of time. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast. 70% chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms today through Monday, dropping down to 50% on Tuesday. It's hot, it's humid. Afternoon highs mid to upper 80s. Overnight lows offer little relief thanks to this humid air mass, dropping only down into the upper 60s to around 70. If you have outdoor plans during this time period, just make sure that you're prepared for a thunderstorm that could move over your activity and produce very heavy rainfall, frequent lightning, and gusty winds. And please be careful if you have any outdoor activities near any area streams, because as we've seen across the country, rivers can turn quite deadly pretty quickly if they get a flash flood anywhere in their vicinity. So be prepared for those rapid rises in water. Remember, you have to run up. You can't run away from water. You have to run uphill as fast as possible. Premier Generators brings us our threat outlook. Now through Monday, we're on the lookout for that localized flash flooding risk, and we'll just monitor this closely. Extended outlooks brought to us by Weichert Realtors. Again, heavy rainfall potential through Monday. Probably getting a little bit of a break on Tuesday before that dangerous heat wave sets in the middle to end of next week and sticks with us through the end of July, it looks like. And you say, well, Mark, it's July. It's supposed to be hot. And it is. And it is going to be hot. But also we have these, these wetter soils from where we've had these scattered showers and thunderstorms. So, and those south winds coming up with this heat wave, it's going to be very, very humid. And that just makes it a little bit more dangerous because it's so much harder to cool off when you've got that really humid air mass. So yeah, it's going to be uncomfortably hot, it looks like, in that period. The only thing that could mess this up is if we get something tropical that comes up, or if we get a complex of storms that comes out of the Midwest and gives us some relief. But I'm not sure we want one of those complexes of storms because those things can pack a punch, and I'll have to keep an eye on that potential for the end of next week as well. On this day in weather history, brought just by Bramble Travel, a major heat wave, 1980. We were on the 5th of 6 consecutive daily record highs at Crossville, with this date reaching 96 degrees. 1986, one of the most photogenic tornadoes I've ever heard tell of, occurred in the suburbs of Minneapolis, Minnesota. It actually even appeared on the news by the helicopter crew. It was visible by tens of thousands of people for 30 minutes. It ranged in intensity from 113 to 157 miles per hour and causing hundreds of thousands of dollars in damage. So giving those folks quite the show in Minneapolis on this day in 86. You folks have a wonderful Friday. Keep looking up for more weather information, meteorologistmark.com.